The footprints of the Apollo astronauts will remain on the moon for over 1,000,000 years. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere like the Earth does. There are no winds or rain to wash away these marks. However, the moon is constantly bombarded by meteorites, and over time the footprints will be wiped out. The Sun contains 99% of the solar system's mass. The diameter of the Sun is 100 times wider than Earth. The combined mass of all the planets account for less than 1% of the solar system. The Sun is in fact so big that you could fit 1,000,000 Earths inside it. One day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. It takes the equivalent of 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation around its axis and just 225 days around the Sun. It also rotates opposite to the direction of most other planets, which means the Sun rises from the west and sets in the east. Pluto is smaller in area than the United States. Pluto is a dwarf planet, and its size is so small it is only about half as wide as the United States. It is also smaller than the Earth's moon. Space is silent. Sound needs a medium to travel, and since space is a vacuum, sound cannot travel. But there are some infinitesimally small regions where sound can exist under very specific conditions. Uranus is tilted on its side. While the Earth has a tilt of 23.5 degrees, Uranus is more than 97.7 degrees, causing the planet to have extreme seasons. It is also the only other planet that rotates from east to west. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. While Mars seems lifeless and quiet now, it is once believed to have been full of life and activity. Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano ever discovered in the solar system, is believed to be more than twice the size of Mount Everest and about the size of Arizona. Spacecraft have visited every planet in the solar system. Since the Soviet Union sent its first spacecraft to space on October of 1957, humans have come a long way in space exploration. Today, we have spacecraft that have visited every planet and have studied and sent back detailed images and data of these planets. We now know in greater detail those bright spots in the night sky that were once a fascination to ancient astronomers. Since November 2nd, 2000, humans have been continuously living in space for the past 20 years and counting. The International Space Station has been home to these astronauts. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets that do not have moons. Both Mercury and Venus are too close to the Sun that the orbits of their moons would be too unstable and captured by the gravity of the Sun. If you liked the video and want to watch more interesting content, please do not forget to like and subscribe.